What's in your hair mask? Fruit enzymes versus clay and charcoal. Hey there, beautiful people. Ever wondered what's really inside your favorite hair masks? Or which one is best for your hair? Well, today we're breaking it all down. Fruit enzyme hair masks, bentonite clay, and activated charcoal. Let's find out which one's the ultimate match for your hair care routine. Chapter 1. What's inside these masks? Alright, let's start with what's inside these masks. First up, fruit enzyme hair masks. These are packed with natural enzymes from fruits like papaya and pineapple. They also get a boost from hydrating ingredients like honey, coconut oil, or aloe vera. What do? These enzymes exfoliate your scalp by breaking down dead skin cells. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish your hair. It's like a tropical vacation for your scalp.
Next, we've got Bentonite Clay Hair Masks. This one's a mineral-rich superstar. Think calcium, magnesium, and silica. It's usually mixed with water or apple cider vinegar to activate its powers. Bentonite clay works like a vacuum for your scalp, sucking up oils, toxins, and dirt while restoring your scalp pH balance. Perfect for a deep cleanse.
Finally, activated charcoal masks. This one's all about detox. Activated charcoal draws out impurities, dirt, and product buildup like a magnet. The best part? It cleans your scalp without overstripping your natural oils. Detox and more volume in one go.
Chapter 2. Which one's right for you? So, which mask should you grab? If you've got dry or damaged hair, or your scalp is flaky and sensitive, go for a fruit enzyme mask. It's gentle and super hydrating.
If you're battling an oily scalp or clogged hair follicles, bentonite clay is your best friends forever. It's great for textured or combination hair too.
And if your scalp feels itchy or full of buildup, activated charcoal is the way to go. It's perfect for normal to oily hair and can calm irritation in no time.
Chapter 3. How to use them. Using these masks is easy. Fruit enzyme masks. Just apply them to damp hair and scalp, leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. Follow up with conditioner for silky smooth hair.
Bentonite clay masks. Mix the clay with water or apple cider vinegar until you get a paste. Apply it evenly, leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Don't let it dry completely. It can get a bit too drying.
Activated charcoal masks, whether it's store-bought or DIY, apply evenly, leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse well. Just don't forget the conditioner after.
Chapter 4. How often should you use them? How often should you use these masks? Fruit enzyme masks. Once or twice a week for hydration and scalp exfoliation.
Bentonite clay masks. Once every 1 to 2 weeks for a deep cleanse.
Activated charcoal masks, same as clay, once every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on buildup.
Chapter 5. Things to watch out for. Now let's talk about the drawbacks. Fruit enzyme masks can cause allergies for some people, so always patch test first. Also, don't overdo it. It can make your scalp sensitive.
Bentonite clay masks can overdry your hair if left on too long or used too often, and rinsing it out takes a little patience.
Activated charcoal masks might leave a residue if you don't rinse thoroughly. And like clay, overuse can strip your scalp of natural oils.
Chapter 6. Pro tips for the best results. Want the best results? Here are some tips. For fruit enzyme masks, choose ones with extra hydration, like honey or aloe vera.
With bentonite clay masks, never let them dry out completely. Add aloe vera or a bit of oil to make them more moisturizing.
For charcoal masks, pair them with a hydrating agent to prevent drying and rinse, rinse, rinse.
Chapter 7. Conclusion. So, which mask wins? Well, it depends on your hair's needs. Fruit enzyme masks are perfect for hydration and gentle scalp exfoliation.
Bentonite clay masks are the ultimate detox for oily or textured hair.
And activated charcoal masks give your scalp a deep refresh and more volume.
Why not mix and match? Use different masks based on what your hair needs each week. Your hair will thank you.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more hair care tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite hair mask?
See you next time.